Look. This is Sally's homemade kakanin. I'm not fond of kakanin. So this is bibingka munggo, bibingka malangkit, ube halaya, pichi-pichi nyog. I think kasava munggo yata to. I don't remember. Okay, let's try.
Try this.
Ay, oh my God, kailangan natin pinagsan ko.
I already know my favorite one.
Kasi ito yung matamis. The sweetest of them all.
And then try this next.
So yung hirap na hirap ako
Jogging.
mag-run.
Wow! This is what's inside. Mami, alam mo ba yung bate dyan sa katabi natin pangalan din Chloe?
Hmm?
Mami.
Kasi yung matagal.
Very funny. First, second. Third. Very yummy.
Ang commonality nila is ay, oh my God. It's a fake ube.
What is your favorite?
It's a fake ube. It's not ube halaya. It's like a malangkit.
What is your favorite?
Wait, I haven't tasted this one.
This is my last. First, second, third. Last. Chloe, sa akin na lang. See?
Terrible. Hindi na masarap to.
No, this second, third.
Mas masarap siya.
So, ano yung rate mo? Parang
Teka, I haven't, don't remember the taste. Hindi ako mahilig sa kakanin. Ewan ko ba, bakit? Ano ang pinakamasarap?
ito lang gamit ko yan.
Yung first bet ko,
Yan.
ano talagang gusto kong bilhin yun. Is I know it's gonna be yummy.
Dessert natin.
Kakaibang dessert. Oh my God, iba. It's not.
Pupunta akong Kitsuna sa Buson. Sa Baglaro muna tayo ng tindahan nila.